Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen types of software. Again, I am revising types of software. Two types. One is a system, and another is a application. Okay. In system, when we are going, there are some more types: operating system, language processor, and device drive. After some more things. Okay, means these are the things will come in a system software. And now we are going to see the application software. Students, in application software there are three types. Okay, and again I am saying this is your practical. One thing I have to remind you, for your assignment and project, okay, plus practical viva, 60 marks are there. Students, again I am saying, you are writing semester or annual, okay, both, okay, 80 marks, correct? This 80 mark will be converted into 40 mark. How much mark you are scoring, it will be converted into 40 mark, divided by 2. Okay, if you are scoring 76, divided by 2, 38 is your mark. Means it will be converted into 40 mark. And whatever assignment, project, viva, regarding this I will explain after some more class. So in that 60 mark, so 40 plus 60, you will get 100 mark total. Okay, so whatever you are writing examination, it is only 40 mark, but assignment, project, practical, viva, you have to submit in a file, spring file, means you have to submit whatever things. So regarding your assignment, project, everything will practical, viva, so many things are there, categories are there. When we will divide, you will get 60 mark. So including this both only 100. So whatever assignment, project I am giving, don't forget to submit when school will open. If you didn't submit on that time, I will give time after school day open also. If you didn't submit on that particular time, just you think 60 mark. Okay, you have to submit your fair copy also. When school is opening, within 2 or 3 days, we have to complete question and answer and the one word question answer. Nothing I will give, means I will not give anything for 9th class. Okay, up to 8th class, sir will give question, you will mark, you will write, that all up to 8th class. But 9th onwards, you have to mark by yourself. Already in a book itself, they given question also, answer also. Everything they given in a book only. But thing is what? We have to learn inside of the chapter. That is a habit, we have to learn from this. That's why 9th class I didn't give any question answer, but I will not give also. Because 60 mark is there, everything only you have to do. I will just guide, I will teach, whatever problems you are getting, I will resolve. And I will give more sufficient lab. Okay, only this much I will do, but the 60 mark I cannot able to do anything. If you complete, you will get 60 mark, else no. Whatever you are studying, it will be only 40 marks. Okay. So regarding this project, assignment and all, I will explain in upcoming class. Now see here, application software. General, specific, customized. If you are coming to the general, generally worldwide, everywhere, what software they are using? Just you think. MS Word. See students, MS Word, Microsoft Word. Word document not provided by only a Microsoft company. There are so many companies are there, they are providing Word document, text processor, if I want to say clearly. Text processing document, many companies are providing worldwide. But we are using MS Word. So for example, Liber Word, Open Office, okay. And this all are the best example. After one crore document also there. Okay, so this all are things. Online document, Polaris, WPS. So these all are the word processor document, they are providing worldwide. So Word we are using, Excel, Access, after DPA, okay, desktop publishing. So these are the things generally everyone using, not I. Everywhere in every world, in every country in a world full, they are using generally. But company may be different, but they are using this. Without this, no one can. So this all will come in a general. After specific purpose, account, school, railway, means this general purpose we can use for anything. If you are installing MS Office, in MS Office you will get this all set up. If you are using LibreOffice, when you are installing LibreOffice, you will get this all set up. There isn't any change. But in one software we will get many, and we can able to use worldwide, common everywhere, for everything. In home also you can use, in school also you can use, in company also you can use. That is called general. But if you are coming for a specific, only for particular thing, you cannot able to use for any other thing. Example, account, to calculate tally, in a shopping complex, in a grocery shop, we can able to see. Schools, reservation. So these are the specifically we can able to use. Only that particular purpose. We cannot able to use this software for any other thing. But general purpose, it is not like that. And customized. Sir, what is this customized? It is totally new now. See here, general, worldwide everyone is using. Specific, software is already there, but you can use that for only specific purpose. And this application software, it is not in your computer. You have to install. Whenever you in your computer, system software. System software already in your computer, it is installed, but application software you have to install. It is inbuilt. You have, but if you come into application, it is not inbuilt. You have to download or you have to get the setup and you have to install. So these all things you will not get in your computer. You have to install manually. So customized means, I am having one shop. Just imagine. You are having one shop or I am having one shop. I have to give some particular input and I have to take some particular output. Such type of things in anywhere I will not get. Anywhere you will not get. Means you have to call some software engineer, you have to give. So I want to give this all the input, I want this type of output. Okay? And one person is working under me, client, he should use only some particular things. He should not have some particular right. So this all things I will explain to some particular engineer. Not only I, you also. Means the person who needs software customized. I want one particular software. It never build. So engineer will take all the notes. What input you need, what output you need. He will take everything, and whatever doubt he is having, he will ask you. After getting this all information, he will think and he will start write the code and he will develop a new software. Okay, this new software is not available anywhere, only for particular purpose, customized. Okay, so that is called customized. Okay, so these are called application software. Students, I think so fourth chapter is over, and what things, few things are there you have to remember. And interface, there are two type of interface. This is very, very important. Interface, there are two types. One is a GUI and another one is a CUI. Graphical user interface, character user interface. Graphical means nowadays we are using only a graphical. I hope so. You up to now you didn't see character user interface. Rarely one or two students might be seen, but I think so no one seen. Character user interface, especially in railway ticket booking counter, we can able to see. Character user interface means nothing. Full black screen. Only text will be there. You cannot able to use the mouse. Only by the text. Just when you're typing, automatically means if you want to open any file, you will not get any word, nothing. Only black screen and text will be there. Only that much. Only character you will use. Okay. So fourth chapter is over. So upcoming class we will go to the fifth chapter. Okay. Thanks for watching.